Yes, Aswin, let's see here.
Okay.
So today as you want to learn tissues in action, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's the third chapter of NCRT book, right? The new NCRT. Okay. So as you can see, here there are two words or the three. The main are two. That is tissues in
Action.
action. Okay.
Action.
Do you know
Yes.
about the action now?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Action means
Tissues
in
are like
term of biology, what we can say that
action is like how like the process like in which they function, like how the tissue is functioning, like what process they're doing and all that.
yes, very good. So in the term of biology, we can say that ki tissue is in working condition, right? Like this, we can say that, okay?
Yeah.
And you know about the tissue,
Yeah. Tissue is like like a combination of like like a group of multiple similar cells working together like to do a specific function, like similar
hmm,
to a specific function.
yeah, good dear. So here, as we can say that the smallest unit of a body is the smallest unit of the
It's
body is
like a cell.
cell, okay? It is cell, okay? And it's when the cell
Yeah.
comes together, uh, it will become tissues, right? Okay,
Yeah.
is it clear now? Tell me,
It's clear. So
or any doubt?
cells forms tissues.
What?
No, there's no doubt.
Okay, dear. So
No, there's
let's.
no doubt.
Okay, okay. Let's see here. Just wait a minute. It's lacking. So cell. I
Your
mean,
voice is a bit delayed.
yeah. I I also failed. Okay, let's try to manage it. Okay, I will check it
But I
later.
can hear you like 5 seconds before.
Oh, okay. Just wait a minute. Then I will. I am
I can
rejoining.
hear you like
Okay.
5 seconds after I hear you.
Okay, okay. Just wait a minute. I'm rejoining. Now everything is okay, Nadia.
Yeah, now it's okay.
So let's see here. As I was saying, tissues in action. Action means, in the term of biology, we can say that tissues are in working condition, right?
Yeah,
Right? We can say that, na? Tissues are in working condition. Okay. So the tissue, you have already explained it. Okay. And I was saying that uh, the smallest unit of the body is cell, right?
yeah,
And the cell after that it's become into tissue.
tissues,
Okay, togetherly it make tissues, and tissues form
organs,
organ. Very good, dear. Organs, and the organ forms
organ
togetherly
systems.
organ system. Very good. Organ,
Then together that forms an organism.
yes. And after that the organ systems togetherly it form a
Organism.
body. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
a
Okay.
body,
Yeah.
right? Is it clear?
Yeah.
So first a cell came, then two cells, three cells, four cells, and after that it become tissues togetherly. These tissues togetherly form organs, and the organs, as an example, we learn na liver, kidney, brain, right? Lungs. These are organs, and the organs togetherly form organ system, right?
Yeah.
As you know about the digestive system, nervous system,
Yeah.
okay, respiratory system, excretory system, okay.
Yeah.
Is it clear? And the systems togetherly form a proper body. Is it clear? So this is
Yeah.
just basic introduction. Now let's see here what we have to learn. here it said that life being when a single cell divides itself several times to give rise to a large number of cells. Okay, these cells
Okay.
gradually form the skin, protection. Okay, muscles which help in movement, bones which support us, nerves which control us, and coordination helps in control and coordination, and all other organs. Okay, this process is so intricate that it is considered one of nature's greatest engineering marvels. Okay, researchers
Okay.
have been trying to understand, replicate, and modify this process of human welfare. Okay, to do so,
Okay.
it is essential to understand the natural biological process that govern growth and development in plants and animals. Is it clear? Want
Okay.
make cells group together to form tissues. Okay, so what
Okay.
makes cells together, cell groups together to form tissues? Is there any idea?
No, no. So like, yeah, I understand the many things. So like, there's
Mhm.
mainly all the body's main parts, which are like the skin, the muscles, the bones, the
Okay.
nervous system, and all like the other organs are like the reason like we can do stuff, and the process behind it is considered like one of the nature's most engineering marvels. and
Mhm.
and using this information, humans are trying to replicate or like try to modify it for like
Mhm.
different uses, like for the benefits of human. But in
Mhm.
order to like modify or like try to replicate, we first have to understand like the basics of everything.
Basics of everything. Very good, dear. है ना? So here, as it said, कि what makes cells group together to form tissues. Let's see. Okay. So why do some tissues grow together out life while other do not? This is the another question. We will discuss everything. So in chapter 2, cell, the building block of life, you have learned that the cell is the basic unit of life. Okay, the same thing I told you. Okay, in the beginning of the class, many cells come together to form a multicellular organism. Okay, in
Okay.
all multicellular organisms there is a hierarchy of organization. Okay,
Okay.
sorry, cells of similar types, pre-forming similar function group together to form a tissue. Okay, more than one type of tissues form organs, and different organs form organ systems, and organ system form an organism. Okay, or the body. Okay, is it clear? The unicellular organisms, unicellular means
Single cell.
has how, it has how many cells?
Only one.
Only one cell. That cell help in reproduction, respiration, excretion, everything, digestion. Okay,
Okay.
everything. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. So organisms such as amoeba, right? You have already know about these things.
Yeah.
Amoeba, a single cell performs all functions of life. Okay. In
Okay.
multicellular organisms like plant and animals. Okay. In the biology or science, human beings and birds are also animals. Okay. So
Yeah.
when we are discussing about the animals, it's mean we are discussing about the human beings
Humans.
also. Okay.
Okay.
And the birds. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Different groups of cells perform different functions. A tissue. See, the first point which you have to note down from here. Okay.
Okay.
Till here. Okay. This line.
Similar type of
Cells perform all function of life. That one.
Okay.
After that, you have to note down this one also. कि a tissue is a group of cells similarly in structure that
Okay.
work together to perform a specific function. Okay. The formation of different types of tissues lead to the division of labor which increase the efficiency of the body and enable to carry out complex life process. Okay.
Okay.
For example, in animals, muscles tissues enable movement and nerve tissues carries messages to different part of the body. In plant, conducting tissues such as xylem transports water and minerals while phloem transports food. Okay, so you have to note down till here every point. Okay, in the second point, is
Okay.
it clear? From here,
Yeah.
a tissue is a group of cell. Okay, so first point is here, this one, a cells of similar types performing similar functions from here. Okay, so first
Okay.
of all please note down these 2 points as a note, and after that we will continue it.
Okay.
You have noted all these points also?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's see here, there are some points. How is the study of cell and tissues signifying for understanding the life process and human welfare? Any idea?
How is the study significance? And so, if we understand how a cell and tissues work, we can understand like how our body works. And if we understand like how our body works, we can like understand like how to like maintain it. And in the future also, we if we understand like the life
Hmm?
processes, we can learn how to like treat certain diseases. For example, we still don't
Yes,
know how to treat cancer. So if we
very
learn
good.
like more about cells and how they
Mm-hmm.
cause like these tumorous cells, we can learn how to like make medicines to treat and combat cancer. And like other, there's also many other diseases which we haven't
Yeah.
found cures yet too.
Yes, yes. Very good, dear. है ना? So you have to note down this in your copy and write the answer also. Okay. Is
Okay.
it clear now?
Yeah.
And so you can write the answer now for the first one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
you have to
Yes.
note down it in your fair copy after the class and you have to send me. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Yes. After this, see here. The next question is ki, how are tissues in plants animal different and why? Can you explain this one?
Yeah, so how are tissues in plants and different? So tissues in like plants are optimized for like photosynthesis and creation of glucose and also the storage of these materials. And usually like a cell, like a plant tissue is like firm because it like it consists of cells which contain a cell wall. So it's
Mm-hmm.
the tissues, the plant tissues are mostly rigid. This is mainly because like a plant is like usually like a tree or like a small plant is, it's not, it can't move place to place, it has to stay in one
Yes.
spot its entire life. So due to that reason, like it needs something like a strong like structure in order to like withstand like the extreme heat, droughts, the winds, the rains and all that. It needs like a strong body. So
Hmm.
usually like a tissue in a plant cell is optimized for like glucose and synthesis.
Yes, dear.
While in an animal cell, it's like
Mm-hmm.
the structure is usually more like non-rigid. It's like without containing a cell wall, so the cells can easily move, slide past each other, which allows for our like movement in our muscles. The muscles
Hmm.
it can easily contract and retract, which cause for our movement. And
Yes.
in animal cells also, it's like cell is the tissues contain cells which are optimized for protein synthesis and secretion. So those are the main differences.
Yeah, very good, dear. So this one also you can write by yourself now.
Yeah.
Okay. Or any doubt?
No.
No. Now the next is, how is the division of labor at various levels of organization in multicellular organisms correlated with their functions, structure and functions? Can you explain this one?
Correct. So the division of labor means like if you take like an animal, like a multicellular organism such as an animal cell, like
Mm-hmm.
just like a animal body, it will have like various like uh, tissues and cells performing their own like specific functions. For example, in a
Yes.
there's a cardiac cells which are
Very good.
cardiac cells are like built to last for like their entire lives, and they have one job, which is to pump blood throughout the entire body and remove impurities from the blood.
Mhm.
So those cells are like built to last like their entire life. But if you take like for example RBC, red blood cells, they like their structure is like they don't I don't I think they lack like a nucleus, because to store like improve like the chemical called homoglobin, to like store that. So and they only last like 120 days maximum. So their structure and function is like transport like nutrients and oxygens across our body. So that's another one. And also our nervous cells in our brains and our nervous system and our spine and all that, um, they have like tubular structures like which are built to transfer information like at like very fast speeds. So the difference, there will be a difference between it's like mostly like long and tubular, with like axons on like the both the ends of receivers. And so though so um, so the divisional label like about various levels in an organism like correlates with their like structure and function, because like each cell
Yes.
has their own function, and so it needs their own like structure in order to do like do that function.
Yeah, good. Na? So this one also you can write by yourself. Okay? Or any doubt?
No.
So just wait a minute. Okay, now let's see here. Why are plants and animal tissues different? Okay, this one, the question, the same question we discuss here, right?
Yeah.
So this one here we will discuss in detail. Okay.
Yeah.
In the chapter 2, Cell, the building block of life, you compared plant and animal cells, right? And you study the
Yeah.
major difference between them. Okay. So
Yeah.
most plants are fixed in one place and do not move from place to the place like animal. Okay. They need
Okay.
support to stay firm and upright. Plant cells have a cell wall that provides rigidity and strength. Okay. In general, animal can move through some such as sponges are immobile without a rigid cell wall. Animal cell can change shapes easily. Okay, this cellular
Okay.
flexibility eventually help make their bodies suitable for locomotor. Is it clear? So
Yeah.
another major differences between plants and animals is their mode of nutrition. Okay, it is their mode of nutrition. You can also write these points. Okay, animal have tissue that help the digest food obtained from different food sources, while plants have tissue that help them utilize solar energy for synthesizing the food components through photosynthesis. Okay, plants
Okay.
and animals have distinct tissues for transporting food and water to different parts of the body. Okay, the growth patterns in plant and animals also vary because the tissue responsible for growth different in structure and function. In this chapter we will learn how structures of plant and animals relate to their specific functions. Okay, so if you
Okay.
want to write the differences you can write. Okay,
Okay.
from here.
Okay. Noted.
So do you want to write it right now?
No, I'll just note it down after class. I'll write it and send it to you.
Okay, okay, good deal. See here, there is a point, external point given, extra point. Meet a scientist. BGL Swami, okay, was a renowned Indian botanist known for his contribution to the area of plant morphology and anatomy. Okay, his book
Okay.
his book is Hasura
Honu,
Honu.
Honu.
Okay, Hashura Honu is a popular book in Kannada language. Okay, in
Okay.
which language? Kannada language.
Kannada.
So you have to note these points also. Okay, it is
Okay.
a blend of science, style, and culture. The book describes the botanical excursion in the forests of Western Ghats and is a treasure of plant descriptions, utilizations, conversion practices, botanical folklores, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and myths. The book won the Kendriya Sahitya Academy
Okay.
Award in
Then.
1978. Okay, so these are the
Okay.
important points. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Now let's see here. It is given tissues for growth in plant. Okay, tissues growth in plant. You must have observed that a small seedling grows in a tall tree, roots grow deep into the soil, stems become thicker with time, and grass grows again after being eaten by grazing animals. Which tissues are responsible for these changes? Any idea?
Yeah, apical meristem.
What?
I think it's like I think it's like cells, the
Mm-hmm.
tissues that grows
Which tissue
elsewhere.
are responsible for these things?
I think I learned it was like a meristematic tissues. I think one of the meristematic tissues. Uh, so yeah, I think it's the apical meristem, right?
Okay, let's see. Okay,
Okay.
so as here it is saying, plants grow in different way. Okay, increase
Okay.
in length, height of stem, and depth of root. Okay, and increase
Okay.
in breadth means thickness of stem. So in these two types, plant increase mainly in two type. The third one is regrowth after cutting the branch or grazing by animals. Okay.
Okay.
This growth requires actively dividing cells that together form a tissue called a meristematic tissue. Okay, let us explore different kind of meristematic tissues. First, note down these points. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Yes, dear. So, is there any doubt till here?
No. So until now, there's no doubt.
Now, next is apical meristem. Okay.
Okay.
How do plants grow in length? This one we have to learn. So let us study the growth of root in an onion bulb. The activity is let us describe experiment. This one you can also do in your home. Okay.
Okay.
Here, as it is saying, ki now take two glass jars or coupling jars and fill them with water. Okay. Now
Okay.
take two onion bulbs and replace one in each jar, as shown in figure 3.1. Okay.
Okay.
Observe the growth of roots in both bulb for fewer days, okay?
Okay.
For a few days. Measure the length of the root on day 1, 2 and 3. On day 3, cut the root tips on the onion bulb in jar B by another about 1 centimeter, okay? After this,
Okay.
observe the growth of root in both the jars, measure their length, okay? See here as you can see in this one, okay? So you have to measure their lengths for 4 more days. Okay. Day 4 onwards and record your observation in the table 3.2. Is it clear? 3.1,
Yeah.
sorry. This is the experimental data. Okay. So this
Okay.
one, if you want to do this activity, you can do, okay, and you can fill the table also, okay. It will improve your concepts. So here it said, ki when trained, do you observe in the data your record in the table. 3.1. What trend do you observe in the data you record in the table 3.1? Okay. So are you observed similar to those present in the graph represent 3.2? What do you refer? Roots in jar continue to grow in
continue to
length.
grow, but
Yes,
the
and
jar
the root
be
B,
stopped,
जब grow growing after the tips are cut.
cut.
Okay, it will stop. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so this so that grow only from their tips. The tips consist of cell. Okay, this is the reason
Okay.
which divides continuously. You may recall observing mitosis in onion root tips in chapter 2, cell the building block of life, right? This observation confirms that root tips contain actively dividing cells. Similarly, shoots tip also contain actively dividing cells that help the shoot to grow in length. Okay. This we conclude that plants have growth zones at the tip of their roots and shoots. Okay. And this is called apical. Tell me.
Medicines. Medicines.
Meristems, okay, which help the growth in length. Okay, so you have
Okay.
to make a point about this apical meristems. Okay, and you have to write
Okay.
it help in the growth of plant to grow in length. Okay, and this is the
Okay.
graph you can see here, length of the root in centimeter from the base of the bulb. Okay, here it's in the initial. The blue one denotes the Zare and the brown one denotes the Zarbi. So it will grow continuously. And the B1 when you will cut it on the fourth day. Okay. When you will cut it
Okay.
on the fourth day, after that day it will stop. So here the graph become constant. Okay. Is it
Okay.
clear dear? Or any doubt till here?
No.
Okay. After this we have to learn ki, about the lateral meristem which help
Okay.
grow in girth.
Girth.
Okay, is it clear? So
Yeah.
this one we will discuss in the next class. For this class I will keep till here. Okay,
Okay.
for today that's all. Thank you, take care.